Need to trim your Moxie lashes to fit your unique eye shape? In today's video, we will be showing you how easy it is to customize your magnetic lashes to fit your eye shape. Before we get started, to make sure you never miss any of our instructional or how-to videos, you can subscribe to our channel down below and hit the bell icon to be notified anytime we post. Okay, let's get right into the video. We know that everyone has different eye shapes, so we want to make sure we give you guys the tools to make our lashes fit your eyes perfectly. We like to encourage measuring your lash on your eye before you apply our liner, and the reason for that is if you apply our liner, it's going to try and snap on, obviously because it's magnetic, and that will just make measuring it just a little bit harder. So we definitely recommend measuring it on your eye without any liner on. So you can see that there's a magnet on one end of the lash and a magnet on the other end. So you just want to keep that in mind when you're trimming your lashes. You always want there to be a magnet on either end of the lash. You don't want to have any of the lash band just hanging off. Another tip is you want to make sure you're trimming from the outer corner of the lash as opposed to the inner corner. And the reason for that is the inner corner is tapered to blend with your natural lashes seamlessly. And so if you end up trimming the inner corner, you're going to have a hard time making it look seamless. So just make sure you're trimming from the outer corner. So to measure the lash, hold it up to your eye and look straight into the mirror. This will help you determine how many magnets you need to cut off. So today I'm only going to be trimming off the 5th magnet, which means I'm going to be cutting up flush to the 4th magnet. And of course, I'm going to be using our MoxieLash scissors, and you can find these on our website. Also, comment down below if you guys have ever trimmed your falsies or if this is like a new concept for you. We would love to hear how many of you out there are customizing your lashes. So I'm going to be trimming right at the 4th magnet, and of course, do the same to the other lash. After you trim them, hold them up to your eye to measure one more time just to double check that everything is perfect. And just so you guys can have a visual, this is what my lashes looked like before they were trimmed and what they look like now that they are trimmed and perfectly fit my eye. You can just tell that less is hanging off the ends and they just look so much more seamless on my eye. And that's it. Once you've trimmed off the excess, you can apply your liner and lashes just like normal. It's really that simple and that easy to customize your lashes. Your lashes should now fit your unique eye shape perfectly. So now that you've seen how to trim your lashes, you're almost ready to apply. But now you need to apply your liner. If you need some help with that, we've got you covered. Check out this video for tips and tricks on how to apply our magnetic liner. And if you like this video, please hit the like button down below and you can subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our videos. We'll see you in the next one.